In this module, we will be talking about the types of risk and will see the benefits of an operational risk management. We have different types of risks in an organization, namely credit risk, which may occur when the borrowers fail to repay, market risk, which may occur due to the adverse price movements. We also have liquidity risk, regulatory and compliance risk, reputational risk, fraud risk, technology risk, strategic risk, and operational risk. Now, let us focus on operational risk. Operational risks are the uncertainties and hazards a company faces while performing its day-to-day operations and business activities. This risk can be unique to each business or industry or can be generic to all businesses. Now that we have understood what is operational risk, let us see what do we mean by operational risk management. Operational risk management or ORM helps the organization to systematically identify risks and benefits to determine the best course of action for any given situation. ORM is designed to minimize risks in order to reduce mishaps, preserve assets, and safeguard the health and welfare of the organization. Now we will take a look at the definition of operational risk. Operational risk has been defined as the risk of loss resulting from inadequate or failed internal processes, people and systems, or from external events. This definition includes legal risk but excludes strategic and reputational risk. Now, let us take a look at the benefits of operational risk management that helps the organization. Reduction of operational losses or cost of controls. Specification of senior management responsibilities for management of risk. Implementation of common risk management language and culture in the organization. Generating awareness on types of risk, risk exposure, and advantages of efficient risk management. Identification and monitoring of the organization's risk appetite increases competitive advantage, compliance to regulatory requirements, adoption of leading industry practices. We will learn more about the operational risk management in the upcoming modules.